In today's video, we're diving into the world of WordPress SEO plugins and looking at two tools people often compare, Rank Math and SEOPress. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and by the end of this video, you'll clearly understand the differences between these two plugins and which one actually makes more sense for your website. If you're running a WordPress site, choosing the right SEO plugin is a bigger decision than it might seem at first. This single tool controls how you edit titles, write meta descriptions, generate sitemaps, and help search engines understand your page. And the truth is, a lot of people install a plugin quickly without really thinking through the long-term impact. The right plugin can save you time every week and make SEO so much easier to manage. The wrong one can really slow you down or make things more confusing than they need to be. So in this video, we're going to really dive into Rank Math and SEOPress and how they actually work. We'll talk about setup features, keyword tools, schema support, and so much more so you can really decide which fits your workflow best. So let's get into it. So we're going to start off with the basics and talk about what each one actually does. Rank Math and SEOPress are both WordPress plugins designed to help you optimize your website for search engines. When you publish a page or a blog post, search engines need certain pieces of information to properly understand and display your content. This includes things like page title, the meta description, structured data, internal links, and sitemaps. An SEO plugin handles all of that inside WordPress, so you don't have to manually code everything. Both Rank Math and SEOPress give you a panel inside the WordPress editor where you can control how each page appears in search results. You can edit titles, write descriptions, set focus keywords, and adjust social media previews. They also automate technical tasks that would otherwise be complicated. Things like generating XML sitemaps, managing redirects when URLs change, and adding structured data markup so search engines can understand your content. Rank Math focuses heavily on guided setup and built-in automation. When you install it, it walks you through a step-by-step configuration process that connects your site to tools like Google Search Console and set up basic SEO settings automatically. Now, SEOPress takes a different approach. The interface is simpler and quieter with fewer prompts and no promotional banners inside the dashboard. It focuses on giving you the tools without adding extra distractions. Both plugins offer a free version and a paid upgrade, which means you can start using either one without paying upfront, which we will get into the pricing later on in the video. Okay, now let's compare the setup and ease of use. So one of the first things you'll notice when installing an SEO plugin is how the setup process works. Rank Math begins with a guided setup wizard. When you activate the plugin, it asks a few questions about your website and asks whether your site is a blog, a business website, or an online store, or something else. It also offers to connect your Google account so the plugin can pull data from tools like Google Search Console. Another helpful feature during setup is that Rank Math can import settings from other SEO plugins. If you're switching from a different tool, this saves you from having to manually reconfigure everything. After the initial setup, Rank Math gives you the two modes. There's a simple mode for beginners and an advanced mode for users who want more control over settings. SEOPress takes a more straightforward approach. Instead of a guided wizard, you get a clean settings page with clearly labeled sections. Each setting includes a short explanation so you can understand what it does before turning it on. Inside the WordPress editor, both plugins add a panel where you can edit SEO settings for each page. You can preview how the page title and description will appear in search results, adjust metadata, and set your target keywords. Both plugins also work with popular page builders so you can edit SEO settings without leaving the editing interface you already use. Overall, the learning curve for both tools is manageable, and most users will be comfortable navigating them after a short period of time. Okay, next we're going to dive into keyword and content analysis. So another major feature of SEO plugins is content analysis. This is where the plugin reviews your page and gives you suggestions based on your target keyword. Rank Math includes a scoring system that elevates your post while you write it. It actually checks things like keyword placement, internal links, image alt text, and readability. The plugins then assign a score to the page and highlights areas that could be improved. In its paid plans, Rank Math also includes an AI assistant that can suggest related keywords and topic ideas. This feature is designed to help writers expand their content so it covers more search intent around a topic. SEOPress takes a simpler approach. You can set a target keyword for your page and the plugin will track how often that keyword appears in the content. It also provides basic readability checks and highlights whether the keyword appears in key areas like headings or meta descriptions. Both plugins also connect with Google Search Console so you can see how your pages are performing in search results. That means you can review impressions, clicks, and search queries people use to find your site. If you want more automated suggestions while writing, Rank Math provides you with more built-in guidance. If you prefer fewer prompts and a cleaner interface, SEO keeps the process simple. Now, schema and structured data. So structured Structured data is another important feature built into both plugins. Structured data tells search engines whether a page is an article, a product, a recipe, an event, or something else. When structured data is set up correctly, you can improve how your page appears in search results. Rank Math includes a built-in schema generator with many different schema types available. You can select things like articles, products, courses, reviews, and FAQs. Once selected, the plugin automatically inserts the required structured data code into the page. SEOPress also supports schema markup, though the approach is slightly different. Instead of offering as many presets, SEOPress allows you to create custom schema templates that can be reused across multiple posts. This just gives you flexibility if you need a very specific schema setup. Both plugins also support Open Graph data and Twitter card metadata. This controls how your page appears when they're shared on social media. With either plugin, structured data can be applied globally across the site or adjusted on individual pages when needed. Okay, now let's talk about redirects and broken links. So managing redirects is another important task handled by SEO plugins. When you change a page URL, delete content, or move pages around, visitors may land on broken links. Redirects make sure users are automatically sent to the correct page instead. Rank Math includes a redirect manager that allows you to create common redirect types directly inside WordPress. You can set up permanent redirects, temporary redirects, or other redirect types without touching server files. It also supports bulk import redirect rules using a simple file format, which can be helpful if you're migrating a site. SEOPress also includes a redirect manager and a tool that logs broken links. When the plugin detects a page that returns a not found error, it records it in a log so you can review it later and create a redirect. Both plugins also support advanced redirect rules for users who need more complex matching patterns. Redirect management helps protect your SEO performance and prevents visitors from landing on dead pages. Okay, now let's talk about the pros and cons to help you decide which one's best for you. So Rank Math offers a very feature-rich experience, especially considering how much functionality is available in the free version. The setup wizard makes it easy for beginners to configure their site without needing to understand every technical setting. The content analysis score and built-in suggestion can also help guide writers who are new to SEO and want feedback while creating content. However, the number of features can feel a bit overwhelming for some users. The dashboard includes many settings, and the free version does include promotional notices about additional features. The AI tools and some advanced capabilities also require a paid plan, so users who want these tools will eventually need to upgrade. Now, SEOPress stands out for its clean interface and quiet dashboard. There are no ads or upgrade prompts inside the plugin, which many users appreciate. The white label option also makes it attractive for agencies or developers who manage multiple client sites and want a more neutral backend experience. The trade-off is that SEOPress offers fewer built-in guidance tools. It doesn't include an AI assistant, and the schema templates are more limited unless you create your own custom schema configurations. Users who prefer step-by-step SEO guidance may find Rank Math more helpful in that area. Now let's talk about the different plans and pricing options. So we do have exclusive links down below for both. If you click the link below, you'll see Rank Math. We're going to go ahead and dive into pricing right here. So they do have a couple different options here. They've got the Pro, the Business, and the Agency. The Pro plan is perfect for bloggers, individuals, and solopreneurs. It's $6.99 billed annually. With this, you get unlimited personal websites. You can track 1,000 keywords, powerful schema generator, broken link tracker, advanced keyword linking, and so much more. Then they've got the Business plan, which is perfect for freelancers, business owners, and agency owners. This is $24.99 billed annually. With this, you get 200 client websites, 20,000 keywords, automated SEO sitemaps, and so much more. Okay, so it really depends if it's just personal websites or if you need client websites and how many keywords you'd like to track. Then we've got the Agency, which is perfect for agency owners with high volume. So this is $54.99 billed annually. With this, you can support 750 client websites, track 75,000 keywords, and then everything that's in the other plans as well. So again, it really depends on what kind of business you have and where you're at. Then we've got SEOPress. So again, we do have a link down in the description below. I'm just going to go ahead and click pricing from there. From here, you can see they've got the SEOPress Pro for 1 site, for 5 sites, and for unlimited sites. Again, it depends on where you're at in business and what type of business you have. SEOPress Pro for 1 site is $49 per year. With this, again, it's 1 site and then you get all of their features. Then if you need 5 sites, that's $59 per year. You get all of their features as well. And then the unlimited sites is $149 per year. It really depends on how many sites you need it for. Choosing between RankMath and SEOPress really comes down to how you prefer to manage SEO on your site. RankMath is a really strong choice if you want a guided setup and built-in suggestions while creating content. The plugin provides more prompts and automation, which can just make SEO easier to learn for people who are newer to the process. It can also be helpful if you like having extra data points, scoring systems, and automated suggestions while writing. On the other hand, SEOPress is a great option if you prefer a quieter, simpler interface without extra notifications or promotional banners. It focuses on giving you the tools you need without adding extra layers of guidance or automation. I know how overwhelming it can feel trying to choose the right tools when you're building a website and learning SEO at the same time. There's so many plugins out there and it's not always obvious which one will actually make things easier in the long run. If you want to try one of them on your site, click the link below to get started. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping you build your website with simple tools and easy steps. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.